To turn on two-factor authentication on Discord, start by opening the Discord application on your device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen to access the user settings. In the user settings menu, click on the Security tab from the left side menu options. The Security tab will display various account security options, including two-factor authentication. To enable two-factor authentication, click on the two-factor authentication option and select the Authenticator app method. You will be prompted to scan a QR code using an Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. If you do not have an Authenticator app, you can download one from the App Store on your device. Once you have scanned the QR code, enter the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app to complete the setup process. Alternatively, you can also enable two-factor authentication using a backup code or a physical security key. To do this, select the backup code or security key option and follow the on-screen instructions. It is essential to save your backup codes in a safe location in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. This will allow you to regain access to your account if you encounter any issues with two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication on Discord provides an additional layer of security for your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. By following these steps, you can easily enable two-factor authentication on your Discord account and protect your personal information. Remember to always use a strong password and keep your account information up to date to ensure the security of your Discord account. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy a safe and secure Discord experience.